So the other day, I was sitting down with one of our students, and it was almost closing time. It was almost 9 p.m., and he was still here studying. He goes to me, "Alex, I'm getting demotivated. I've given the exam a few times, and it's hard to push myself with my job to study every night and keep getting the same result. What do I do?" So you're probably sitting and you may be in the same situation as well. You got the job, you got the family, you got the baby, you got the uni, you got all this different pressure, and you still need to study and pass your test. So he asked me for my advice, and I told him a story. So I wanted to share the story with you guys as well. Since that student, his name is Vishal, he just passed the exam with us a few weeks ago, and he told me it was really helpful for him and it inspired and motivated him. So I want to share the same story with you guys. A couple years ago, I was working full-time, a 9 to 6 job. By the time I got home, it was oftentimes 10:30, 11 o'clock at night. I haven't had dinner yet, and I haven't gone to the gym, which is really, really important to me. So I thought, how can I actually push myself? Like, tired, I'm frustrated, I'm demotivated, but I know what I have to do. So how do I do it? And I started reading a lot of different things and tried to find ways to motivate myself, to push myself. And there's one simple trick I learned, and I hope this one simple trick is gonna help you not only with your studies and your exam and your PR, but whatever it is that you want to achieve in life, okay? So we have to trick our brain. Our brain and our body is actually capable of a lot more than we think is possible, but we have to trick ourselves. So what I used to do in order to motivate myself to go to the gym, because at the end of the day, we don't have any willpower to actually push ourselves to do those things. But here's how I thought about it. It's 11 o'clock at night. I'm just gonna make myself one small coffee. And I thought, why would I make a coffee so late? Because when I drank coffee, I got a jolt of energy. Okay, now when I have this energy, what am I gonna do with this energy? I'm not gonna go to the gym. I will not go to the gym. I will not go to the gym. So as you can imagine, I would get to the gym. Then I would get on the bike or the elliptical or whatever machine I was doing, and I would tell myself, I will not do it for a long time. I'm just gonna do it for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, just 5 minutes more. And after 5 minutes more, why did I come all the way to the gym if I'm just gonna be here for 10 minutes? I might as well go do some weights as well, but just one time. Then one time turns into 2 times, and 3 times, and 4 times. And next thing you know, it's 11:30, it's almost midnight, and I just did a 30-40 minute workout, and I'm sweaty, and I go home, and I feel good about myself. Because despite not having any motivation or energy or determination, I managed to actually do all of the things I needed to do. So when I was talking to my student, to Vishal, and I said, how can you apply this in your life? Okay? The day that you feel really lazy and you don't want to do anything, you don't feel like studying, you don't feel like practicing, just open your laptop. Okay? Don't study, just open your laptop. Now go to the Dream English portal, or go to YouTube, or go to any website, but don't practice any questions, don't do read-alouds, don't do dictations, just leave it open. Go about your day, and eventually you will feel a little bit silly because your pen and paper is ready, your laptop is open to the reading questions or to dictations, but you're not practicing. So tell yourself, I'm just gonna do it just for 5 minutes, okay? I'm just gonna do like 10 read-alouds. Or I'm just gonna do 10 dictations, that's it. Do the 10 dictations. Next thing you know, you're not gonna practice repeat sentences, but you're just gonna listen to the audio, okay? You definitely don't practice, but you just listen to the audio just for 5 minutes, okay? Next thing you know, just trick yourself with these small little steps. Put those little clues in place that will push you to study. Have your notebook open, have your pen ready to go. Have your favorite headphones, have your favorite practice website, okay? And tell yourself you will not spend all day practicing, you will just do it for 5 minutes. And then it turns into 10 minutes, and 15 minutes, and 20 minutes, and 30 minutes. Next thing you know, you just spend an hour practicing and getting one step closer towards your goal. Okay. So I hope this is the situation with you as well. I find lately, we're not getting so many students that struggle with the material, because most of these things we provide, we teach, we explain, but they just struggle with the frustration to push themselves, to stay determined, to motivate themselves. So if this is something that you found really useful, just comment below and we'll make sure to once in a while not just record practice videos and tips and tricks, but also a little something to motivate you and to push you to stay on task towards your PR. So this is Alex from Gym English. Until next time, take care and definitely don't study hard.